The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heels that has crushed it. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it's time to pause and reflect. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. A person who won't read has no advantage over one who can't read. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. There are basically two types of people. People who accomplish things, and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded. Everything has its limit. Iron ore cannot be educated into gold. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why.